কোরা বা অর্গ্যানজা যেটা আমরা বলে থাকি, এটা এমন একটা ফ্যাব্রিক যেটা শিয়ার সিল্ক হয়। এটা সিল্কেরই একটা শিয়ার প্রোডাক্ট যেটা আমাদের একটু সেমি ট্রান্সপারেন্ট হয় এবং এটা ভীষণ ফ্যাশন, হঠাৎ করে আরও বেশি ফ্যাশনেবল হয়ে উঠেছে। কালার্স ভারী সুন্দর সুন্দর তৈরি করা হয় এগুলোর মধ্যে। তেমনই আজকে কিছু পিওর হ্যান্ড ওভেন কোরা আমি দেখাবো এবং তার সাথে সাথে আপনাদের সবার প্রিয় ক্রেপ বেনারসি, দুটোই কিন্তু হ্যান্ড ওভেনের ওপর। পুরোটা বেনারস থেকে আমাদের নিজস্ব লুমে তৈরি হয়ে আপনাদের দেখাবো আজকে 214th এপিসোড। আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত, সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে। প্রথম কোরাটা যেটা আমি দেখাবো একটু মাস্টার্ড কালার ঘেঁষা, মানে কাঁচা হলুদের ওপর যে কালারটা হয়, কাঁচা হলুদের সাথে ডিপ রেডের মানে মেরুনিশ একটা কম্বিনেশন। কাঁচা হলুদের সাথে মেরুন কালার কম্বিনেশন, পিওর সিল্ক কোরা। কোরারও কিন্তু পিওরের অনেকগুলো কাউন্ট হয়, থ্রেড কাউন্ট হয়। আমাদের কিন্তু সবচেয়ে হেভি কোয়ালিটি সিল্ক কোরা, পিওর হ্যান্ড ওভেন। এবং এটার মধ্যে যে বেনারসি ওভেনটা আছে, এটা পুরো এরকমভাবে নকশি উইভের সাথে যাচ্ছে। 10,900 রুপিস দাম, একই দাম আছে। কিন্তু আজকে আরও আমি কিছু ভারী সুন্দর সুন্দর কালারও দেখাবো, যেগুলো আমি আগে কখনো দেখাইনি। সেটা পুরোটা দেখতে থাকুন, আশা করি নতুন কালারগুলো আপনাদের ভালো লাগবে। এই কালারগুলো সব সময় আমাদের চাহিদা থাকে, কারণ এগুলোর মধ্যে ব্রাইটনেস খুব সুন্দর। দেখুন, এটার সাথে এই ব্লাউজ পিসটা আসবে ডার্ক মেরুন কালারের ওপর, এটা আসবে তার ব্লাউজ পিসটা। সো এবং যখন পিওর সিল্ক করা হয় তখন কিন্তু ফলও কিন্তু অনেক বেটার আসে। আর্টিফিশিয়াল করা যেগুলো মার্কেটে এখন অনেক ডুপ্লিকেট বেরিয়েছে, সেটা কিন্তু স্টিফ হয় এবং ওটা খুব হার্ড আর রাফ হয়। এটা কিন্তু একদম পিওর সিল্ক করা, সফট, আর ফলও কিন্তু অনেক ভালো। 10,900, প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, মাস্টার্ডের সাথে যেটা কাঁচা হলুদ ডিপ টিউমারিক কালার, তার সাথে মেরুন কালার কম্বিনেশন। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1 এটা হলো। নাম্বার 2 আরেকটা ব্রাইট কালার কম্বিনেশন কালার চার্ট দেখাবো, সেটা হচ্ছে রেডের সাথে গ্রিন কালার কম্বিনেশন। এই একটা কালার কম্বিনেশন, এটাও দেখুন, এটা কিন্তু খুব সুন্দর কালার কম্বিনেশন। ব্রাইট রেড এবং তার সাথে গ্রিন, গ্রিনের এই বর্ডারটা আসছে। It's a very nice deep red with a viridian green zari woven border. All over it will have buttas in antique gold, and here will be your dark green blouse piece matching with the border. So this is the blouse piece of the sari. This is the blouse piece. Very pretty color combination, very bright dark red and green, and the zari part is also very intricately woven zari in antique gold. Number 3, so I have this Rama green color with navy combination. Rama green with navy color combination, all over again butta. With a navy blue color blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece of the sari. See, the prices are all mentioned in the screenshot. Just take the screenshot of the product where the number, like this is number 4, black and red. Just take the screenshot where the number has to be mentioned. Otherwise, there are previous episodes and I will not be able to understand which episode you are talking about. This is a dark, it's a black color with red border. Of course, red and black is a very favorite color combination. Lovely pretty weave with again this blouse piece. Now coming to a nice, very unique light chocolate color. It's a fudge color you can say, or a dark dusty peach color. So these are very unusual shades, so its exact color is very difficult to say, but I'm doing the video in normal showroom light, so you can understand it will be the exact color which is coming. I'll tell you the color. It's a light chocolate color with gold zari. Very bright, beautiful gold zari in paisley motif. So these are the new colors that I'll be showing you today. With a running blouse piece, product number 5, 11,900, lovely Nakshi woven gold zari with blouse piece. Lovely color combination. These pastel shades look very pretty in our Indian complexion, and see the color, the border, the weave, the brightness of the zari. It's exquisite. This is more or less the color that I'm wearing. Mine is more peachish and this is a bit touch of brown in this. Now I'll show you one lovely off-white color. It's a wow color. It's just an amazing, and from front this is looking so pretty. Off-white with bright gold zari. See, this is the color. Wow. The blouse piece will be running with this. Don't go for a contrast blouse with this. Wear with this off-white blouse only, and just wear the jewelry. You can wear loads of gold or polki, any contrast polki set you can wear, which you have any statement jewelry which you want to flaunt, and also your gold jewelries. Please, this is a beautiful sari. It's a lovely one. It's a exquisite color combination, and the best part is it has silver in between gold. So the gold part will have silver meena. Even in the body there will be silver with gold meena. This is where the uniqueness lies. Number 6, this is price 12,500. 12,500. It's a beautiful piece. If this doesn't sell, it will be mine. I love this. You know, always off-white and gold is my very favorite color combination. Now this is another very rich, unique color combination. Very difficult to say these exact colors. These are lovely shades, and I'll show you. This is the color actually. It's a mint green in between a sky blue. It's a lovely uncommon shade, again with the leaves in silver and the tulip in gold. Throughout the sari will be in the same butta, and the blouse piece will be solid plain color running blouse. We have not given any contrast with this because the elegance will come out only in the same color combination. Just check out the lower border also. It's a lovely border. It's a lovely woven sari. See, this is the upper border. Pallu. And this is the lower border. Same border both sides. It's a very pretty color combination. See, like this you can understand the color. Very rare colors, very unusual colors, and these look very, very gorgeous, especially when summers are coming, during weddings and all. This is a beautiful piece. Now another nice color I will show you. See, it's a dusty mauve color. It's neither brown nor mauve, Again, a very unusual earthy tone. See the richness of the weave, the brightness of the zari. Personally, I always favor antique zari, but this gold is not the very loud gold. The Rolex kind of gold, I don't like. I like these, rose gold type colors. This is so beautiful. It's a gold color, but the weave is so pretty and it's subtle also. You can wear it during day and night, and with that, this beautiful silver zari leaves in between the gold tulip. In this color, it's just beautiful. And there goes the blouse piece. Along with the sari, the pallu comes the blouse piece, and then this is the body and this is the border. This is the upper border and this is the lower border. It's a wonderful piece. Really awesome colors. Really awesome colors. Whoever will get these, they will just freak out on the elegance and the color combinations. Now coming to almost a little lighter shade tone than I am wearing. Mine is a dark coral kind of a color. This is a light, beautiful, soft peach color. Same weave in a peach color, soft pastel peach color with again gold weave all over, and in between there will be the silver zari. Now this is the sari. Beautiful. Number 9, 12,500 with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Again, I request you to make same blouse piece. Very good quality. Don't worry that it will be not lasting or something like that. You use lining. It will definitely be a long lasting blouse because these are pure silk, and preferably you can make puff sleeves or bell sleeves. Those will also look nice, and these little ruffled sleeves will look nice, very pretty in this sheer fabrics. I have something beautiful for the brides also. This is a nice color, a golden yellow color. Lovely shade. Beautiful color combination. Isn't it pretty? Lovely yellow. This is the blouse piece. Number 10, 12,500. See the weave, the border. The body with full boota and the blouse without the bootas. The body comes again with silver and gold. Simply gorgeous. Even if you wear minimum jewelry with this, you will really stand out because of the color and the look of the sari. The total overall look of the zari, the weave, you will really stand out. Now I will come to something exquisite again. Rangkat Koras. New collection. It has been dyed in two colors. Leher weave, Rangkat concept, deep and light pink, fully woven. Blouse comes in a shade of pink with the border. Very pretty leher style in diagonal, so it will come like this. Gold weave. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near the Baliganj railway station. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday we are open every day to serve you, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Both the branches have the tailoring unit. So if you want the blouses to be stitched, after the payment we'll connect you to the tailoring department and you can do a chat with them and decide on the designs of the blouses. We can stitch it. You have to give us at least 2 weeks time and then we'll courier it to you. Cash on delivery, we are providing this service only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata via courier. For each shipment, courier charges are applicable and the shipment charges depends on the weight and the destination. International shipment, one piece would be expensive compared to if you buy 2 to 3 pieces. So I suggest you can pay for the product and then add a few more. Take your time, do your selection, no hurry, take your time. Just a suggestion to just reduce the shipping charges, because again this year they have increased the shipping charges a bit more. So it's not in our hands. We just want the product price. If you have any arrangement to pick up, or we are most welcome as long as our products are, you are happy with our products. So that's it. This is a nice peach and a peach pink color, coral and peach color combination. Again a Rangkat weave silk kora in leher style. All these come with matching blouse piece in solid color with the border. Now another lovely shade in ivory. Again Rangkat weave, but again this has some more colors added to it. If you are liking the products, if you are liking my presentation, if you are liking the designs that I am showing you, kindly do take a minute to like, share and subscribe, leave a comment, and if you subscribe, regular notifications you will get. We have the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. The link is the blouse piece. The link is already provided. These pictures, still pictures, I will upload in the album Kora or the bridal collection, traditional saris. I will be uploading these in that collection, in that album. Once you can check out the still pictures and then you can take your decision. But first come first serve basis. Once the payment is done, we'll ship it in 2 to 3 working days. Number 13 in Kora, ivory and light brown color. Now number 14, another very pretty color, soft pastel pink color. See, this is also Rangkat weave, and in between there is weave also. This is a gold weave, shades of pink, and here is a shade of pista too in between the border. Product number 14, 12,500 for this too, and light baby pink color blouse piece. This is a blouse piece, soft strawberry pink, very soft baby pink color, beautiful shade. See, it's a lovely shade of pink, very soft color, and we girls, we love pink in any form, be it ice cream or be it our clothes or be it jewelry. We love pink. So this pink is our girl color, and this is a very pretty one. Lovely color combination again. Now coming to number 15, this is a light butter color, lemon color, lemonish butter color. Once I had got a big jar from a customer about the color, because according to her, off-white and cream, there's a lot of difference here. We, you know, like I'm saying, this is lemonish butter. I mean, it's more of a lemon color, but many, if I say butter, so somebody may have low cholesterol margarine, or someone may have butter. So it's kind of a Amul butter color, lemonish color. So I try to be very specific, you know, about the color, because I don't want to fall into trouble about the colors, because definitely there is a little 19-20 difference in the light. So that's why I'm very particular in telling the exact color. This is a light lemon color, butterish lemon color with silver and gold buta weave. This is all over lovely buta, and see the gold, bright gold zari border. And this is the pallu part. Along with the pallu, this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. So this is the whole sari. Again, a lovely color combination. Beautiful color combination. Kora, basically the fabric is definitely very, very tempting. It's a very beautiful fabric. On top of that, the colors matter in Kora. All colors doesn't look good in Kora. These kind of lovely color combination in Kora is very important, I personally feel. Now see this color, really gorgeous, lovely shades. This one will have a broader border in the bottom and a sleeker border in the top. On top it will be a sleeker border. So if I hold it in single way, yeah, this is the sari. This is all gold weave, no silver. I want to specifically show you the border weave, which is so beautiful and so lovely bright. All over sari. Blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay. Number 16. So kindly WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. Once the payment is done, we'll courier it to you. Do not, after payment, do not send the payment details to both the numbers. If you are not getting a reply, please do re-message after a few hours, because maybe we are closed or maybe we are not online. Please have patience. You will get the reply definitely, and you are paying to a business account. So don't worry about your payment. Lovely mint green color with again silver and gold alternate buta. It's a very pretty booty all over. Again a nice, very pretty color. Number 17, 12,500. Beautiful shades. A must in every wardrobe. I know many of you have bought so many koras in different shapes and different shape butas, different designs, different colors, very tempting saris. Now coming to crepes. This is a jet black color, pure hand woven crepe, tiny butas all over. Very fashionable, very feminine, very party wear look. Jet black with, this is antique zari. Pallu 11,900. This is antique zari. This is not gold. This is a matte zari. This is another kind of a beauty. Here comes the blouse piece. See, all woven blouse piece. Fully woven. Like the mannequin is also wearing, so you can make it with bigger sleeves like this. Just to have an idea, we've made the mannequin drape it in a similar type of a blouse and a sari. Like the black one, I have a bright red color. I'll show you the colors, available colors in crepe. All are very pretty colors, bright charts. Lovely red. 11,900, rich pallu. All antique. And here is the blouse piece again. This is the blouse piece. See the gorgeousness of the beautiful crepe Banarasi hand woven products, soft, lightweight, very easy to maintain. You wear 3-4 times, once polish, again wear 3-4 times and then go for dry clean. Even for the koras. Just that kora, just change the fold if you are not wearing for a long time, that's it. A peacock blue color, very much in demand, lovely peacock blue. And this is the pallu, number 20, 11,900. Very pretty bright color combination in peacock blue. And this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will also be very rich like the others. This is the blouse piece and this is the look of the whole sari when you wear it. Again, I always tell you to make the blouse piece a little longer sleeves, not to waste the weave, fabric weave. This is a very pretty bright peacock blue color. Now, I'll show you what the mannequin is wearing. Dark navy blue color, midnight blue, or you can say an ink blue color. Very pretty color combination. And the price of this is 11,900 with this particular blouse, the zigzag with the border. This is the blouse piece of this sari. 11,900 and this is the sari. Just take the screenshot if you are interested. Again, antique zari, antique gold zari with all over tiny buta nakshi woven border. I love nakshi borders. I love the designs. I love the intricacy of the butas, the leaves, and it is a bit more time consuming, but I always insist my weavers to do nakshi borders rather than the solid gold borders or anything. So again, 11,900 for this crepe. Now coming to a wine color. This is with a contrast border. All the while I was showing you in monotone. Now coming to a wine with a contrast red border. Again another beauty. This is the pallu, rich contrast red pallu, with it will come with a red blouse. 12,500 for this with all over buta. The previous crepes that we have been showing all the while, none of the koras or crepes are available. So select from the current episode, the recent episode, select from these. See, this is the blouse. So all more or less similar color combination or concept, but the thing is the border and the design buta changes. So I always prefer showing you the new weaves rather than you selecting from the old ones. Though they do keep coming, they do get repeated, of course. It's not that it never comes, but for that you check out the WhatsApp status. Every day we are uploading the new collection or the available products or the repeats of the episode products which are available. We are uploading there, so you can check out those whichever is available. You can WhatsApp, you can check out two numbers that is provided. You can check out the status. Now this is another very pretty sari with a sleek border both side, a narrow border with again a rich heavy blouse piece. See, this blouse piece is beauty. Navy blue, little slightly different. This is more of a pop-in blue and this is a more of navy blue. Slightly different than the mannequin color. This is more brighter. This is more navy. Pretty color, very pretty with a lovely blouse piece. The prices are all mentioned. The menswear section is in the Cornfield Road branch. We have the costume jewelries also, which is there in both the branches. So check out the costume jewelries also. Number 23, this is no buta, only border concept. Very pretty, another lovely wine color, burgundy tone wine color with a rani color border. No butas, only border concept sari. Very smart. This is another very smart look sari in pure crepe again. Number 23 with this lovely pallu, 12,500. Contrast pallu, and again especially the color is a beautiful color combination. We love these colors, and you know, the solid color with contrast border, no buta, it's a very smart design. And this is the gorgeous rich pallu. You know, you can wear this not only during the wedding and all, even when you have no wedding occasions or any, you can wear it to any semi-formal occasions also, where you know there are a gathering of nice you know, crowd and all. Very pretty look. This look is very pretty and very comfortable also to wear this. It has a beautiful fall also, the crepes. Number 23. So in this solid color, I have another green also. This green one is also a very pretty color combination. Green red color combination. This is also another nice color, our very favorite color. In fact, I myself have one of this from long time. It's almost 18 to 19 years old. I have one of these same combination crepe, and it's still, so it has the same glaze as it had 18 years ago. 12,500. Number 24. Beautiful color combination. At that time we didn't have much choices of such lovely, you know, combinations and all. So this is the blouse piece. Lovely bright red rich blouse, and this kind of blouse, you know, you can one blouse will help you drape with many similar kind of saris, or any kind of solid color saris, or any dhakais or kora single color saris. Beautiful concept. Now coming to number 25. Now 25 is again kora with hand painting. Though the previous ones I have shown all in weaving, this is a very pretty, very feminine, very cool look sari, free hand painting done in this lovely silk kora. Pretty, isn't it? See, this part is brushing, this part is free hand painting. 6990, it's sheer dream, very dreamy look with the beautiful, this is a very pretty, this looks so pretty in photographs, and it has a silk blouse piece with this border. This is the blouse for this. This is the sari. Isn't it beautiful? Now I have few more colors. Number 26. Little not much difference between the three, which I'll show you, more or less same, but the painting is slightly different from each other. Color combination is more or less same. So this will come in your yoke part, the upper floral part, and then there are big lovely bright flowers, all hand painting. Pallu, very pretty pallu, 6990, and again it will have the similar blouse piece in silk. So make the blouse piece with this only. It's a lovely silk blouse with again hand painting in the border and the body. Very sober, soothing color. And the last one, number 27, before I tell you about my sari, this is number 27, touch of lemon and olive Oh wow, this is also a very pretty painting. Very cool, soothing look with floral border up and down. The whole body will have spray painting in the body part of all the 3 sarees that I showed you. The middle part is spray painting and the upper part is in floral hand painting. Isn't it very pretty? Lovely. And this is the pallu. Same price, 6990. Again, this will have a matching blouse piece. All these comes with, all our sarees comes with matching blouses. So this is the blouse piece for the saree. If you want to stitch it, you can connect with our tailoring department after payment. So this is the saree. See, it's a very pretty one. And lastly, the one that I am wearing. This is, I'll just show you the blouse that will come with this. Okay, this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the saree, and this is the lovely rich gold border. Again, it will have the silver and gold butta all over. This is the blouse piece. Okay, you are getting this blouse piece, and the price of this saree is 12,500. The saree that I am wearing, it's 12,500. See closely the rich gold border, the pallu, the blouse piece I have already shown you, and the neck piece that I am wearing. It's in a very pretty pearl and light pinkish tone neck piece set. Since it has silver buttas, I am wearing a silver with pearl setting. It's not necessary you have to wear gold with this. I think pearl is also looking nice. This is 1450. Sorry? 1490 rupees. It's comes the neck piece with this cute earring. 1490, 1490 for the neck piece. It's a very sleek, very pretty neck piece. It goes with a lot of your sarees and your westerns also, with your kurtis also. Suits and kurtis, you can wear this neck piece also. It has an Indo-Western look, but a touch of ethnic, color combination is very smart. So this is 1490. The ring that I am wearing is 1200. 1200 is this pearl statement polki this ring. 1200, and the set of coral bangle 1, 2, 3, 4 is 550 rupees. 550 is for the set of 4 coral bangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 550 rupees, and the saree price I have already told you. So that's it for today. Keep watching, more episodes are coming very soon. Namaskar, bhalo thakben.